Hello, greetings. Today I got something pretty special. First custom knife purchase. Got this little pouch. The knife. It's made by Vandermeulen Bladeworks. Custom tactical knives. There's his information. Got a little patch here too. It's pretty cool. And the knife. It's a big guy. This is the double Homicide. Number 167. They're handmade with manual machines. USA. Big cool looking pocket clip. Big chunky handle. It's awesome. Oh yeah. Big blade. I'm guessing it's probably about 11 inches overall. Maybe almost 5 inches all the way across. Big folder. The Magna cut blade. Of a compound grind recurve trailing point. Yeah, it was really cool. Contacted Jeff Vandermeulen. I was interested in having him make one of these for me. Kind of started the process from there. Just kind of wanted a plain Jane titanium. Nothing too shiny or fancy. So I want to carry it and use it. Yeah. Big, awesome blade on these things. Flips open good. Full titanium frame lock. Some jimping. Some jimping on the back. Yeah, these are awesome. Very nice work. And when he was getting ready to finish it up, I asked him to put this fuller in. I think that looks so cool. Goes right up into the grind there. Big fuller. Let's see. Yeah. Kind of flick it off the fuller too. That's cool. Kind of a weird position. There it goes. Double Homicide. Yeah, this is awesome. Vandermeulen Bladeworks. This little maker mark. Very cool designs. He has a few designs that are really interesting. I might be interested in saving up and having him make another one. Not one of these, but maybe one of his other models. Yeah. Big, awesome knife. Here's next to the McBee. It's a little bigger than the McBee. Also, I got A little native. Quite a bit bigger than those. Pocket clip's bigger than the little native. Yeah, this is just a big cool looking knife. I like it a lot. Figure for a first custom folder purchase, I wanted a big awesome looking one. This definitely serves that purpose. Super cool. Vandermeulen Bladeworks double Homicide. Those cool grinds. There it is. Definitely not going to lose a grip on that. Can't wait to spend some more time with this thing. Anyway, hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.